What's up, guys? Welcome back to Living Out Here. Today we're going to be changing this as our fireplace mantle into this. Hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get into it. So this is the bottom side of the top now. We've got these angles cut in here, running all the way down and right there. So now we got to do the bottom. Oh, look at that. Now we got to do the bottom and the front. Should have put some glue in there, huh? Yeah, that sounds like a great idea, Travis. Why didn't you do that? Yeah, 'cause I'm an idiot. Yep, let's put some glue on it this time, Travis. Great idea, Travis. I don't know why you didn't think of that sooner. God damn it. Okay. Now let's do it again. Oh, hey. There's a staple. Let's learn from my mistake last time. Flat side goes that way. That one goes here, like so. Like that. Okay. Get some glue on her. Like that. Okay. We got that part done. So we're gonna have to get some wood putty and fill in this, because it's not gonna, there's too much. There's just too much. I'm just gonna fill this in and then we'll have to smooth it out and resand it. Yep, same here. There's just too much right in here. Yeah. Well, my corners aren't the best. We'll admit that. So we're gonna have to get some wood putty. Fill in these holes too to make sure they're covered. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with how it's turning out so far. Well, we just got done sanding the edges of where all the filler was. I think it looks pretty good. Pretty good. This is gonna be the top here, the front. We're gonna get it all stained up here soon. We've got some more putty on to cover up some holes and some defects that were missed. And we're gonna be hanging it by a French cleat here. Here's the other half of it that's gonna attach to the wall. That means we're gonna have to stand on this one more last time before we start staining it. We got it all stained up now. Now we're just gonna let it dry. And then we're gonna go hang it. I think it actually turned out really cool. We have our old mantle down now, and we got our French cleat in place right here. The angles going down that way. Well, guys, what do you think? I think it turned out pretty cool. If you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for hanging out with me today. And here's to another day of living out here.